First of all, there are increasing concerns about the sustainability of existing publicly funded healthcare systems. Healthcare expenses are widely expected to continue growing much faster than GDP, much faster than consumer price inflation. In addition, we see strong additional demand for healthcare services from emerging markets and their expanding middle classes. So from this macro point of view, insurance or private health insurance is set to play a bigger role in funding or co-funding healthcare expenditure going forward. But in addition, there are, I believe, compelling industry-specific reasons that support this hypothesis. The first one is that private health insurance strengthens the financial resilience of households. It reduces the need for precautionary savings that usually go at the expense of other priorities such as education. Instead, people pay a regular premium to pool their health risks, especially their emergency health risks, with other insureds. And this is highly beneficial and highly efficient from an economic point of view. But in addition, it also reduces the risk of financial calamity and the risk of so-called catastrophic healthcare expenses. A second reason, very briefly, is that private health insurance can contribute greatly to risk mitigation and risk prevention. It is perfectly possible to reward healthier lifestyles with lower premiums. Well, from an insurability point of view, the biggest challenge associated with cyber risk is the lack of independence and the lack of predictability. As a result, traditional concepts such as risk pooling or risk accumulation control hit their limits. But this is not only because of a lack of data, which will improve over time, which will accumulate over time. The much bigger challenge is the constant dynamic evolvement of the cyber risk landscape. Having said this, we should not forget that the cyber insurance market is in its infancy. There's no doubt that it will mature. Risk pools will expand, data sets will become more relevant. We will see new players entering the market, bringing new capacity and, as such, new relevance to the market. And in addition, we are currently witnessing encouraging developments in the area of standardization. For example, the standardization of policy wordings or product classification. So against this backdrop, I'm confident that the insurance industry will come to grips with the challenge of cyber risk, which I personally believe is an imperative for the industry to maintain its relevance going forward.